So in this video, we're going to learn how to reduce the fear of public speaking by just two effective ways. So I'm not going to mention those common tips like take a few deep breaths before speaking or know the audience nicely before your presentation, no. But I'm going to tell you two psychological tips by which you can hopefully overcome your fear of public speaking. I'm going to share my experience of overcoming the fear of public speaking, and I'm pretty confident that you too will benefit from these two tips. So back when I was in my senior school, when I was of about 17 to 18 years old, I was never really the guy who would stand up to speak or even answer something. I rather tried to avoid answering to the teacher. But one day my teacher asked me to read 4 paragraphs from a chapter and give a 5 minutes explanation about what I just read, right on the spot, in front of the whole class. So imagine a guy who never had any experience of public speaking was asked to deliver a 5-minute speech, and that too in such an age of 17 to 18 years, when it's kind of shameful if one is not able to deliver a speech at such an age. Therefore, instead of baffling around, I thought of sucking in the material and understand what is written in those paragraphs. So here's the catch. I went to speak, and when I was about to speak, my only concentration was on the content. That is, what I have been assigned to speak about. And the only thought I had before speaking was to just speak as clearly as possible. So I went on speaking as properly as I could. And I still remember that in those 5 minutes, my only concern was to speak and concentrate on the content. And eventually the teacher and my fellow students clapped for me for the speech. Now, I'm not bragging about it, I'm just explaining an experience. So in those 5 minutes, I was totally into the task I had been assigned to do. I was fully focused on the speech and not at anything else, not even at the audience, as that perhaps could have distracted my focus and I may have felt a little awkward. So in those 5 minutes, words just passed through me. It was literally the first time I noticed that words passed through me on their own. I was, to say, in the zone. I was completely unaware about my surroundings and just focused on that single priority. And that's the first tip. Try to be in the zone. Stay focused on just what you are saying, and if necessary, don't look towards the audience, or else you can just look at their heads or the back wall to feel less awkward and less distracted. The second tip is that you should realize that everybody wants you to succeed. You see, for those 5 minutes, you are literally the king of the evening. For those 5 minutes, everyone in the audience and also the organizers or the hosts will wait and listen patiently just for you. It is to realize this thing and you will feel really good that everyone is waiting just for you. They're all positive about you. Your work on the stage is just to deliver what has been requested from you. If you can understand these little things, which are rather important, you will undoubtedly be able to do what you want. So that's it. These are the 2 important ways by which you can overcome your fear of public speaking. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And if you like this video, please hit the like button too.